discerning drivers will appreciate the 2012 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include cruise control, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.